Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Melanie, and if you're new to my channel, I do a lot of unboxing videos, food hauls for weekly, daily and weekend. I also do hauls from shops such as TK Maxx, B&M, Superdrug, Boots, Marks and Spencer's. I also do beauty box unboxings and food subscription box unboxings, as well as unboxings of makeup items, jewellery, watches and trainers. So as the title suggests, this is a unboxing of the Nike Janoski Slip on trainers. I purchased these from ASOS and I will link them down below, they're still in stock. So they come in this gorgeous mint green box. So as you can see, it's like a kind of a cheap suede type material. It's very rough feeling, it's not typical soft smooth suede. I don't know if it's even real suede. And it's got the white soles, which I really like, and there is this Nike swoosh tick, whatever you want to call it. To the front it's got this label, which I can't really read, but I don't think it stops them from looking good. If that wasn't there, I think they would look better. And again, the tick there. As you can see, there's elasticated panels either side of the tongue, if it's called the tongue. And then the back, there's nothing on the back. And then there's the sole of the shoe. Inside there's just the Nike SB. So these are quite tight to get on, but not too tight. You can get them on, but you do have to kind of push hard to get them in, but they will stay on your feet, which is good. These are at least half a size too big, so I would recommend getting at least a half a size smaller, possibly a full size, depending on what type of feet you've got. If you've got narrow feet, I think you could probably go down a full size. I like them a lot, and I'm only sending them back because I don't like this. I feel like this label cheapens it and it's kind of curling up at the corners, so I think, you know, after a few weeks it would be more prominent. I think they'd look better without them on. If you have any questions about them, please leave them in the comment section and I'll reply. Also check out my blog, because I will be doing a matching blog post in the next couple of weeks. My blog is always linked in the description. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification so you're alerted every time I upload a video. And please like the video. I will be back very soon with another video. Thank you for watching everyone.